Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope that you all are in the best state of health and iman. As we are going to start our third lecture of English, so open your English workbook with me. We are in the week 2's planning, week 2's planning. So mention the date here in these blanks and days here in these blanks. Firstly, we will have the review of our previous lecture. So students, what did we learn in our previous lecture? We learned that how we will trace A. So what did we learn? We learned that we will draw a slanting line from here, another slanting line from here, and we will join these two lines with this line, so it will become A. Firstly, mention the date here and tick the day here. Today we are going to learn about letter B. But firstly we will move to our story time, and the title of the story is The Bus Stop Story. The boy was waiting for the bus at the bus stop. He saw an old lady carrying a basket of bananas. Now can you see the boy here? Yes, this one is the boy. And where's the old lady? She is the old lady and she is carrying the basket of bananas. The boy went near the old lady and said, "Can I help you?" The old lady gave the basket to the boy and said, "Jazakallah, my boy, you are very good." Now he is asking for her help and the old lady is saying him Jazakallah. So what did we learn in this story? We learned two things. First thing is this, that we should help others. And the second thing about the story is this, we learned about the pronunciation of letter B. How we will pronounce letter B? B boy, B bus, B bus stop, B basket, and B bananas. Now here is the activity about B ball. Draw one more ball. Now count and write. Firstly, we will draw a ball here like this. We will draw a circle and then we will make a cross here, so it will become a ball. Now we will count the balls. 1, 2. There are 2 balls, so we will trace 2 like this. Down and then a straight line, so it will become 2. Now the topic is recognize, trace and write. So how we are going to write B? Firstly, we will draw a straight line from this dot, right, like this, and then we will make a curve like this, another curve like this, so it will become B. Now we will make another try. Firstly, draw a straight line from this dot to downward like this, and then we will make a half curve like this, another half curve like this, so it will become B. Now we will try B with its phonics. So what is the phonic of B? The phonic of B is B. B bus. Here is the poem for B bus. Try to act on the poem wheel. Now we will try B on these dots. So put the tip of the pencil on this dot and draw a straight line like this, and then make a half curve, then another curve, so it will become B. Once again, make a straight line downward and then make a curve from here and then like this, so it will become B. One thing about which you have to take care is formation. Means if we are going to start B, then we will follow its writing steps. For example, the first step is that we will draw a straight line, and the second step is that we will draw a half curve and then another curve. Now we are moving to our next page. So likewise this, we have to write B here on these dots, and then we have to color bananas. Firstly, we will pronounce B with its relative pictures. So B basket, B bananas. Once again, B basket, B bananas. Here you have to color the bananas yellow. Now here is the revised practice of A and B. So we learned that how we will write A and B. So you have to complete this page also like this. And one thing to remember, that your strokes must be clear and neat. Now here is another task, which is recognize and match. there are two letters A and B. We have to recognize that which picture is related to A and which picture is related to B. Firstly, trace A and B like this, and now we will observe that which picture is related to A. So and we will join a line from A to end. A alligator, a aeroplane. And now letter B. B basket, B banana, B bus. Now we will move towards our English reader. So students, open your English reader with me. Firstly, mention the date here and day here, and circle the weather, whatever the weather is today. So students, we are going to learn about letter B. We learned that how we will write B. Now we will learn that how we will pronounce B. So what is the sound of B? I told you the sound of B is B. So read with me. B boy, B banana, B basket, B bus. Once again, B boy, B banana, B basket, B bus. It was all about today's working. Next lecture will be uploaded soon. Allah Hafiz, Fi Manillah.